Hi guys, I'm finally back with puppies! I still got the quails though. We're still working on the shelter. I live in Washington, FYI, so it rains super fast. And you kinda didn't expect it, so it's November, it's pouring down rain, but they're happy. They got shelter and they got heat. But our focus is puppies! Our dog had puppies on purpose. We did get her impregnated on purpose with a dog about half her size. She's 15 pounds, he was 8 pounds. Oh. And she had 6 puppies, but she was only supposed to have like 4, and we thought she was gonna have 3, which was insane. These are 2 of her puppies. These are 2 puppies we're actually gonna keep because we love them. They love playing together, although big boy looks fierce right now, but he's not. He's a big teddy bear. He just sleeps in your arms. His little sister Peach, who we are also keeping, Lily, crap, we changed the name. Lily, she has a cold right now, which is kind of sad. It's not because of the rain, because no one else has them. She's the only one that got it, and we have no idea how, so. Hi, babies. They love playing together. We already sold 2, and one's still inside the house. Hi! Good love. Oh, hi! Yeah, we have 2 black ones in the house. One's like a tuxedo black. The other one's like pure black. Both of them are sold. Just haven't got their owners yet. They're coming by Monday. They'll both be gone. And we'll have little Lily here, Robin, our mommy doggy, and Marshall. Marshall! Don't eat that! Marshall! Hi! Oh, and he knows his name. She does too, but he's more responsive. I think that's about it. You can all see they love it. Robin loves playing with them, especially Marshall. She'll pin him down the rough house, and she'll grab a lamb chop toy, which is her favorite, and she'll go up onto the couch and hide from them, and then she'll give Marshall the toy. And because he's so massively huge, none of them could get it from him. Like, she is, I think, 15 pounds now, maybe slightly less, because the pregnancy kind of was hard. She was feeding babies, which she's now done with, but I hope the voice quality is good. Anyways, he's like, I don't know what, 8 pounds now? Hey! See, Lily's the fierce one, he's not. But he's like 8-ish pounds, and I think she's like 5? Hi, yeah, 5! You're 5 pounds! Yeah, so tiny. Just like growing like nothing at all. You're gonna be tiny. You're so small. You're small like your daddy. Yeah. But she'll be small. Linebacker will be freaking massive. And Robin's more. Robin. Hi, guys. See? He's a coward. He's like, please pet my belly. Oh, sorry. And she's overkill. Yeah. And Robin's sick of feeding the baby, so now she's all like a puppy. Oh, we also shaved her because no one would shave her while she was breastfeeding and pregnant, so we gave her a bath, and now she finally got shaved, and she's so happy. Look at her. She got her cute little pink sweater. Robin! Dorks. Oh, there goes Lily. Yeah. They're all uber happy. Hi, Robin! And I think that's about it. Enjoy your day.